So hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today we're gonna learn about Boolean operations.
So this is another one about the
Zero and ones.
zero ones and if else and
Okay.
pro is nope.
I'm sort of looking forward to do some more binary math.
Binary math. That's not really useful because when you're coding you don't need binary math. In most cases, like in your level, that's not something very important. Okay. So today we'll talk about another two types of if else, how they look and how we make them simpler. Okay. So check this one first.
If today equal Monday, if time equals Friday, if not school holiday, go to school. Can it make sense?
Yeah. So basically, you link three of the if statements that's nested. We call this. So every if is wrapped by another if. So this way is basically like all the three conditions match, then this go to school will return, right? So do you see any problem with this? Like in the last episode we said the variable is repeated. What is repeated here?
So the thing's gonna repeat.
Because you have a lot of if, right? So it's nested. It goes one level down, one level down, one level down, one level down. If you have 10 of those, it's gonna go so deep, right? So it's not something a pro would do, but this works. This is how if you don't know how to write it in a better way, this works. Yeah, like I said, if we have a lot of conditions, then this will be harder to read. If it's redundant to repeat the if, right? So many if, yeah. So what do we introduce here is the AND operator. So in Python it writes just like an English AND. In some other language it writes as there's two AND symbols. So what does the AND do is how we expect it. Basically it links several conditions. And then make them
So
together.
a pro would do that.
Yeah, so this way it's in the same if, under the same if. Basically it's the same as the previous one. Once everything here that is a true kind of statement, then you will go to school. So this is how we make the nested if in a flattened kind of way. So this is just same as in natural language. You won't say if this. You will say if this and something something and something something and then I will do something. So this is exactly that. So this is called a Boolean operator. So the keyword here is AND. So all those points together, that makes what the AND is. Next we have something we call the repeated if. That makes sense, right?
Yeah.
But you have to do.
But the if is sort of just too repeated.
Yeah, but because we want to say if it's Monday, yes, we need to go to school. If it's Tuesday, we need to school.
Yeah, but
Wednesday, it's almost like we have to say this so many times. That
Yeah.
feels so repeated, right?
yeah.
So in a better way, we introduce this all, basically like in the natural language, where you say something like this, you will say, oh, if today is Monday or today is Tuesday, or then we'll say, yes, go to school.
But it's sort of still the same then.
Yeah. So, but it's better than the other one.
Yeah.
It's
Faster
already
to
better.
type.
Yeah. So in this way, we have this keyword and or. The or is written as English word or two or symbols. In other language. In Python, you just write or. And then if any of the conditions here linked by the or is a match, then it will return the statement you put after it. So this way, at least you don't repeat the if, right? So you don't need to repeat the go to school so many times because you just write it once. Yeah, that's it. That's all.
So that's it for today. So bye, guys.
So if in the next episode we will talk about something makes that even more elegant. It's gonna be even shorter.
Does she say, viewers, here's the secret, but we're a bit off schedule.
No, we're still okay.
Yeah, there was lots of days that I missed out on the bedtime coding, and we didn't do it. So
yeah, you go to sleep over too much.
Yeah, sleep over was too much.
So that variable should equal what Neal like the most is Olivia. Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Okay.